I thought that I've been hurt before, but no one.
Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do the green screen challenge with people like this, and they have different people and stuff like that. So what you need is something green. I'm using this tablet. And you're going to record one video where you're going like this, of you holding a tablet. And then you can change your different clothes or download some kind of video online and stuff like that. So you're going to make a video like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make a video with you just like whatever you want without holding that. Or you can download a background, which you can just download a background and do that. So I'm going to make my video and I'll be right back. Remake the video, pick a song on TikTok or Musical.ly. I don't know. I'll tell you what song I'll pick. And I'm just gonna pick a sound. This video, you can follow me on Musical.ly. I don't know. I know what it is, but it's hard. So I'm in here. I'm gonna pick this sound. I think it sounds pretty cool. It's I'm just a dead man walking tonight. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the play button. And just like make a video just in case it doesn't save it, because that happens sometimes. You're gonna go to Video Star. It costs money to do this, so it costs about $4 or $3. I already got it, so we're good. But I'm gonna screen record it and voice over it, so it might sound a little off, but it's okay. Okay guys, so now you're gonna go to Video Star and edit your video up. You're gonna click Edit Video at the top. There's a little plus button, then click Edit Video. Put in your video with the green screen, with your green thing. So you put that in there, you click on it, and you can do however you want with it. And sorry about that, I'm watching a movie. So you're just gonna click it and process it into it, and then you're gonna click the edit, add, and then click photo or video, import photo or import video. I'm importing a photo because I downloaded this photo for my thing. So then it should import, and then you're going to click the plus button again and click multi-layer clip. So you're going to click that, and then you're going to add in your green screen one first. I mean, not your green screen one, the picture, the one without the green screen. And then the second one you're going to add is going to be one with the green screen. You're going to add it in, and then there should be this thing that says colors at the top. So you're going to click 2, plus it in. There should be this thing that says colors at the top. You click on that and make it as less green, like kind of green, but not really much green. So stuff like that, so you can have it put in there. So that's what I'm just doing right now. So there it is. So there it is. There's me with my pineapple background. So then you can watch it, and then you're going to click create, and you're going to process it, and it should process. And then in this part, I forgot to do it. You're going to click the X at the top. You can watch it and stuff like that. I forgot to do this part. You got to save it, but I forgot to do that part. So I went in Musical.ly and looked, but it wasn't there. It's because you got to save it. So yeah, so I'm going back to Video Star, and I'm clicking down, and then I'm going to click that save button. It says you can either send it to Musical.ly or send to your camera roll. I did camera roll because I want to keep the video. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to go back to Musical.ly, click Musical.ly, get your sound, and click on the video. There it is. You can add filters, do whatever you want, and then that's it. Then you're done. So here's my video. Yeah, so I hope this helped you. So this is a video. Remember, you don't have to do a photo. That is it. I hope this helped you. This video helped you. I'm sorry you had to pay for it. I'll know to put that in the title. Comment down below if you want me to make a free version. I'll try to figure out how to make a free version.